this white roof on this tent makes me look like I'm bald. I'm not, almost, but not quite. So, a lot of you guys yesterday, the day before, all the days are running together again. Every time I go camping, that happens. Excuse me. Some of you guys like the scenery that I did. I wasn't able to do what I wanted to do that day. You know, with the camera that, you know, down in that valley between the two mountain ranges, and across the way it looked like a farm or something down there. But anyway, I got it done this morning, so that's what you saw the first of this video. I thought I'd just do that and post it so that you guys get a better look at it, and then a little short tour around, you know, down the road, and campsite and all that kind of stuff. So some of you guys remember the coffee chats early in the morning by the fire. Well, anyway, we're in a stage 1 fire restriction right now, so you know, I'm at a developed campground, so I could have a little fire. It's got one of those forest, National Forest approved fire pits. I could have a little fire in that, but we're under a red flag warning as well, so it's pretty high wind, and yeah, I'm just not going to take that chance, I guess. So we're going to have a little coffee this afternoon, an afternoon coffee chat without a fire. How's that? Here come the winds. The red flag warning is high winds starting tonight. We're going to be in the 25 to 30 mile an hour range with gusting to 50. It's really low humidity and high winds, so you know the fire is, you know, you just don't want to take any chances. At least I don't, anyway. Tomorrow, Sunday, we're red flag again, and then we're going to have even higher gusts, up to 60 miles an hour, they say. So we'll see. So I've been out a little bit during the day, you know, making sure that the tent stakes are good and tight, you know, that kind of stuff. Put a rock or two on the ones that are a little questionable. Should be all right. It was okay at 65 up at Setgrave, so you know, if I have to, I can move the truck down in there between the to help block the wind. I did that up there. Had a rope across put the truck in it and run a rope across from the ridge pole and tied it to a tree so it didn't, you know, fall over. Iced coffee. I like iced coffee. Ice coffee. So it's getting a little bit late. It's about 5:30, but that'll be all right. I don't have anywhere to go. I don't, you know, I can stay up all night if I need to. But the last time we had real high winds, I kept getting woke up because the side of the tent kept bumping the air mattress. So I got to remember to pull the mattress out away from the walls this time. So anyway, it's just a little update, I guess. Let you guys know what's going on. Yeah, that's it. Bye.